Sometime in about the mid 90s, there was this theoretical idea of like, if we had a quantum computer, we would be able to do this with Shor's algorithm. We would be able to factor primes much, much faster, orders of magnitude faster. And now we are at the cusp of, depending on who you believe, that is going to happen in the next 3 years, next 30 years. It's happening. It's going to happen. And I would imagine, given that the national security aspects that are on the line for every country on Earth, I would suspect that, we won't know when the first one will actually be built. We'll know when the first one is publicly and commercially available. I live in the DC area, so for me, it's, I go to a lot of nerd events and things like that, and government-focused ones. And one gentleman, I forget his name, said, look, if this happens in 10 years, the time to start changing your encryption algorithms is today because you know how slow government IT works.
Absolutely.
Right? And it's like, if we start today, we might be ready in 10 years. It's kind of the cynical point of view. So I think that's really the mindset shift you have to have, is the idea of like, there are post-quantum algorithms out there, which basically are what we believe are going to be impossible or next to or very difficult for quantum computers to solve. So that's what we have. Although, and I say we believe because there really is no functional quantum computer that hasn't been built that we can test it against.